Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. I want to show you a method with Liquitex high gloss varnish and a sponge brush. This is a really great way to get a few different finishes. You can get a nice almost resin-like finish with 2 to 3 coats, or with 1 coat you can just get a really nice seamless sort of glossy finish with no brush strokes. So as you can see, I'm just kind of moving the varnish around onto the canvas. So it's not, I did a polyacrylic one recently where it's kind of a thin coat, and this is definitely, I kind of take the edge of that brush, and the key is to just kind of push the varnish around and kind of float it. And it's a really nice self-leveling product, so if you get a thick enough coat, the brush strokes come right out of it, and you can use a little torch like this to pop all the air bubbles, because with a thicker coat it does tend to have some bubbles in it that you definitely want to get rid of. And coming up to the edges, I just kind of edge the little edge of that brush right up to the edges of the canvas, and if there's any drips on the side, you can kind of clean that up. I just use my finger or a cloth after you're done. So yeah, I really love this product. I've never tried this with the gloss. I saw Sarah Mac do something like this a long time ago, and I've been using the method for a few different pieces that I've done. I thought this one could use a really nice glossy finish, and I started with 1 coat. I think I'll actually just 1 coat this one because I really like the way it dried. I had another piece recently, Mirror Edge, that I did 2 coats like this, and it honestly looks like a thin coat of resin. And if you did, if you floated 3 coats, obviously let it dry in between coats. At least, I usually wait overnight just to make sure. Or I think, probably a couple hours would be fine. Just make sure it's not tacky at all. You want it to be not tacky to the touch. So at the end of the video, I will show you the dried results of the 1 coat on this piece. This painting's called Orchid Entropy, and I also have the making of this painting on my channel if you're interested in seeing that. And then I'll also show you pictures of Mirror Edge, which had 2 coats done just like this. And I am kind of wringing the varnish out of the brush a little bit. When you do that, you get a lot of bubbles, so you need to really make sure to torch it and pop the bubbles out. I just didn't want to, I thought I had just enough left in the bottle to do this one. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. And please subscribe to my channel to see more artwork. And I'm on Instagram also at sarahtaylor.modernart. Have a beautiful day and take great care. Thank you.